All right, welcome back everybody. This is going to be our last word building video for this week and for short I. So this video is going to be a combination of two different word families. So the first word family is going to be the ending IM, and then the second word family is going to be the ending IB. Again, if you have your worksheet and you have access to a printer, go ahead and print that out. You can complete your worksheet as you follow along with me. If you don't have access to that, that's okay. You're going to continue follow along with me, and you're going to skywrite. So here we go. The first word I want to build is the word Tim. So let's sound it out together. So we have t, I, m, Tim. Go ahead, write that one down, or if you want to skywrite it, go ahead. The next word I want to build is dim. So think of that beginning sound, dim. D, I, m, dim. Be careful if you're writing this one down on your worksheet, make sure you have the D going the right way. If you're skywriting, make sure you have it going the right way as well. All right, the next one I want you to go ahead and try to build on your own. So the word I would like you to build is rim. I'll say it again for you. Rim. I'll go ahead and give you some time. Okay, let's go ahead and build this word now. What is the beginning sound you hear in rim? R. Good. What is the next sound? I. Is the last sound. I, rim. Good job. Go ahead and write that one down or skywrite it. All right, now these next few are going to have that second word ending that I talked about at the beginning of this video. So the IB, it's going to go IB, okay? So the first word, let's build this one together so we can practice, and then I'll let you go ahead and build on your own. So the first word I want to build together is rib. Let's sound it out, rib. Let's stretch it. I, b, rib. Good. Again, if you're writing down on your paper, make sure that your B is going the right way. And if you're skywriting, make sure you write it the right way as well. Let's do one more together. Let's go ahead and build the word fib. Fib. So we have f, I, b, fib. I'll stretch that one out for you again. F, I, b, fib. Go ahead and write that one down. Good. And this last one, I want you to try it on your own. Think of all of the sounds that you hear. The word is bib. I'll say it again for you. Bib. Now I'll go ahead and I'll give you some time. You can write it down if you're working with stickers or magnets or you're skywriting, thinking of all the sounds. Go ahead and try the word bib. Okay, you've had some time. So let's think of the beginning sound in the word bib. What's the beginning sound? B. And we know that what letter makes the B sound? The middle sound in bib, B, I. And the last sound in bib, or the ending sound. B, I, B, bib. Good. All right, everyone, that is going to be the end of our short I word building videos. So come back next week. I'll have some new information for you.